Quality is the cornerstone of our operations here at Mach Connections. We don't want to just meet standards, we want to exceed them. Hi, I'm Craig Roberts. I'm the Quality Control and Design Manager here at Mach Connections. I oversee the panel design process for electrical panels and as well as oversee the quality control processes throughout the site. Mach Connections is part of the CorrectCraft family of companies. We specialize in OEM panels, harness design, battery cable assemblies. We help our customers deliver safe and reliable products to the market. Cirris has been instrumental in helping us maintain our commitment to quality here at Mach Connections. Their testing equipment allows us to test the integrity and performance of our wire and harness assemblies. We've been a Cirris customer for over 15 years. Their reputation and effectiveness were already well known throughout the company. We currently use the CR bases and are starting to implement the 8100 bases into our new harness department here at Mach 1. We're most excited about the new features, and it gave us the ability to upgrade our software as well and implement that into a server. That helps us gain more data collection and helps us improve the process. We just needed reliable and accurate testing equipment to adhere to our strict quality standards. Cirris has a reputation for providing high quality and reliable testing equipment. Their products are straightforward to use and integrate well with our processes. Working with Cirris has been a positive experience. Their products consistently perform as expected and their customer service is very helpful. The best thing about the Cirris products is the ease of usability, and it also allows us to easily collect data for process improvement. Cirris has made my job easier by providing reliable tools that simplify the testing process. Our customers are expecting a well-built and quality product. It's up to us to deliver on that. And Cirris helps us do that. I would definitely recommend Cirris products to others. They are user-friendly, reliable, and crucial for maintaining high-quality standards. As we continue to grow, we look forward to continuing our partnership with Cirris. They'll help with Cirris testers and among other quality programs. We're able to establish goals and strategic goals over the next 3 years to significantly improve our quality, and I think it shows. We know that a commitment to quality enhances our reputation and helps us build lasting relationships with our clients. Our goal here is to get 100% electronic tested site-wide. That incentivizes the purchase of the 8100. Currently, our instrument panels are 100% tested, and our harness department in our second building is 100% tested. We're a growing facility. We are trying to learn, and literally our motto is be a learner. So we're always trying to innovate and improve our processes. And Mach Connections is here to establish a standard higher than anyone else in our industry, really. And we aim to take that, beyond the marine industry into aerospace, air, land, sea. We want to take those electrical solutions to everyone. And having quality as the cornerstone of our operations here, I believe we'll have great success in the future. Here at Mach, we build with confidence, so we Cirris it.